guys, Retro Trek Ralph here. I have an unboxing. If you haven't read the description and you just come straight into these videos, thank you for the trust. But this is a very special unboxing. One, it's a big box. Two, I can't get it on here, so I can't show you it here, so I have to put my camera mount behind me, and then it'll unbox on one of the tables in front of all the Spectrums and whatever stuff over to that side. This is one of the most... Actually, there's one person who's one of my patrons, who's Jamie T from One Click Print, who's actually got one of these, and I actually saw it, and it's kind of... It's a massive Lego kit, and it's... Let me get you on the stand and let's get this open, shall we? Now, forgive the coat, it's cold in here, it's winter. And this was my main Christmas present for this year, 2020. Now, as you can see, it is Lego. I've already told you it's Lego, that's fine. But what you don't realise is what it is. And the size of this is... Let's get a tape measure out. Yeah, it's nearly 19 inch. This is the flap on the bottom anyway, so let's ignore that part. About 19 inch, 47 centimetres. Wide, 22 inch, 55.5. Deep, 16 inch, 40 centimetres. In UK and US measurements, metric and imperial. So let's get this open. Because this is quite a big one. Wow. Let's get rid of the box over there. This is the Ultimate Collector Series Star Wars Lego Millennium Falcon 75129. Now, it's daunting, the size of this, to actually do anything with. To actually make this. This is going to be really good to do, but at the same time, yeah. So, let's go through the box, as we usually do. Front there, lovely artwork on the front. Got a diagram of the back there, side view, top view, or is it the bottom? Yes, the top view. These are the figures you get inside with it. Your BB-8, Han Solo, Chewbacca, Finn, Rey, C-3PO, Han Solo as a younger version, not sure if that's the original Han Solo, the Harrison Ford one, or even younger. Princess Leia, a Porg, another Porg, apparently two Porgs, good. Okay, always wanted Porgs. The best thing about this is obviously the size-wise is ridiculous. Yes, it has the rectangular dish, and I'm not a fan of the rectangular dish from The Force Awakens, but you can swap it out. So you can have either version. Looks like parts come out, the gunner section so you can see inside, cockpit as well, little areas so they can canoodle, chess set, other areas as well. The Ultimate Collector Series. Now, these are taped up quite a bit when you're inside them. I don't want to just damage these or destroy these, but be careful with the tape. Take them off. Now, open her up. Well, that wasn't scripted. You apparently get a book of stickers. Right, let's try this again. Oh my goodness. This is the instructions. Blimey. Right, okay. This is the full instructions how to make it. Bound together. Absolutely bound together. This is not going to take a couple of hours to do. Wow. That's really heavy. That's a lot of paperwork there. Right. Have I opened this the wrong way around? No. This should have been opened. That should be on the top. So, a little bit of artwork on the boxes. So, I have seen before these being opened. And here is a box. More tape. See what I mean about having tape on there? Fastest hunk of junk in the galaxy. Good lord, this is ridiculous. Actually, to be honest, they're in place. What's the other way around? Yes, it's upside down. So what I want to do is, I wonder if these will fit on the desk. They will fit on the desk. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move camera back onto the desk over there, open these the right way around, and show you what's inside, and then we can. We're not going to do the Lego kit today. This will be a project for another day because of the sheer size of it. So yeah, let's have a look at the boxes inside the boxes. Okay, now you see my problem. These boxes are quite big, so let's get into one of them. Let's go via the blank side. Scalpel cut, just to see what's in. Okay, there's okay, so we have got the right box on this one. Bag one. Okay, 2 bag 1. A 4. A 1. A 1. Okay, fine. 15. 14. Another 15. That's not even. These aren't even marked up. Okay. So a 4. A 4. I'm sure you're hearing something else apart from just crackling on this. 14. 1. Okay, so this is going to take at least a day to work through what's where and whatever. And there's a face there. Looks like it could probably be either Rey or Princess Leia. But one head. No body, no legs, no arms, no head, no hair. Just head. Yes. Oh, hold on. Oh, look at that. Right. And then you turn around. Got a mask on, so that's got to be Princess Leia then. We're near the Minok cave. Another head there. And that's a male with different eyebrows. Whoever has orange eyebrows. And this, no, it's the cheeks, hair, more hair. Okay. Right, this is what it looks like before, and here's it built. No, I'm only kidding. That will not happen today. But this is just an unboxing. If you've got one of these, then you know how expensive this kit is, and you will, if you've got one. Maybe last year, when they were first out, about at least a few years. This version, obviously with incorporating both the original and the Force Awakens version, you'll know that these skyrocket in price. And yeah, to think that this is just one bag, then this is going to be a fun build. Although I don't know where to start. I mean, obviously number one. Yeah. So like I said, there's 4 boxes here. If I unbagged every single one, we will be having problems. But let me get. See, I've even got blast marks on one of the panels. Corridors, so you can see further into the ship, which is really quite cool. Because obviously there'll be more of there's internal workings on this anyway. But it's nice to have done this. I hope they're punched out properly for the price wise. Doesn't look too bad, I suppose. They'll be fine once they're done. But that instructions book, I mean, oh, let me get the desk clear and we can have a quick look at the instructions book, shall we? There we go. Clearer, and here comes the instructions. It's daunting that you can see the instructions being bound together. I mean, these are my hands. This is how big it is. The full team there. Let me turn the light out. I can do the Eagle Moss one so you can see a little bit properly. Forward mandibles, quad laser cannon is on top, the bottom, front view, top view. Concept art over here as well. They've really gone to town on this, showing the actual production model. That may be the smaller one that they did for Empire, I think. History of the Millennium Falcon. Oh, it's matte painting as well, that's amazing. There's a part where the back of the Star Destroyer from Empire Strikes Back, they clung themselves to the back of. The model itself is only that big, like Micro Machine sort of size. But detail work is phenomenal. Right, so these, hold on. Are these the other kits you can buy? In 2000, they brought out the 7190, only 659 pieces. Then there's a mini version with only 80 pieces. Ultimate Collector's Edition came out in 2007. Okay, 5,197 pieces. So is this that kit, or is this a different version? I think it's a different version. But what kit is this? This has to be that one, but it isn't. I think these are different. Good lord. I mean, how many pieces has this thing got? It doesn't... I can't see on the box anywhere. It hasn't got 75,000, I know that. Oh god! Oh! This box art on the back. This is for 2017, so this kit is now, for me, at this moment, 3 years old. See, is this the one, or is this the... Good lord. So this is just what's going to happen in each one of the stages. Well, let's go back to number one. Number one, you get the framework, bit more framework with landing gear, then building on, back end, then you can see the engines, then you can see the mandibles starting to form. And you got more of a framework, more of a flattened down, extra internals, mandibles fronts are on. More extra building, back end builds up, the engine exhausts, more back end almost built, front end built, layering up. Cockpit suddenly goes on 16, that's bag 16, they are bag 16s, 17. So it looks to me like the bags like we've seen them already are for specific ones, so they are very randomly put into the boxes. So we've got the number ones are all there, which will give us instructions for the number ones. Yes, so over here it has bag, off camera there, you have bag one to eventually do this framework. Blimey, this is daunting. So you start off there, work your way through. Like for the first part there, you will just need that one block and 4 of these. Done. Number 2, you need one of these blocks and 4 of those. So it's another one where you put the holes through, but you pin it through on there. It's trying to give structure to the actual Millennium Falcon to start with, and branching off, branching back, branching round. Well, this is section 1, 26 page. This is still doing the framework. Oh. Is this still bag 1? It's can't be bag 1. Where's bag 2 start? No, this is definitely not in bag. Never. Oh, it's landing gear legs, so that's up to bag 2. and starts bag 3. So you've got 150 pages for bags 1 and 2. So if I got in the middle, 75, 77, 81, doesn't show bag 2 anywhere. Oh, it's not pages, it's stages, because I'm on 74 there, but it's page 53 in the bottom corner. Yeah, this will be fun to make. I mean, that book itself. One, it looks good. You're not going to get these. Don't consider having them unless you can. There's a YouTube channel that I've watched, and he'd mixed. There's these LED lights, which have got these little thin strips in them, and just dioramas. You could possibly use those, tape them in red, like what he will do. I'll if I can remember, I'll try and put a description. But he does some absolute amazing dioramas from the ships or the actual figures as well. But to do something like that on this would be possible. I'm not entirely certain if it lights. I don't think it does light up. But I mean, we have a page count. Oh my goodness. We have a full list of parts that I am not going through. So including the back cover, we have 468 pages. Blimey. This is going to take a while to build. So I think transferring this to the dining room, mounting a camera above to start building it is the only option that I can think of doing. And I think me and my other half are going to have some fun doing this. So anyway, that is just an unboxing. I'm not doing anything. That's what you get in the box. That's what the instructions you get with it. So don't expect after this there's going to be a massive lengthy build of this, but we will do it eventually anyway. Trust me, we'll get this sorted out and done. So yeah, brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Star Wars Millennium Falcon Ultimate Collection Series number 75192. So anyway, with that in mind, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Please follow me on social media if you'd like. If you want to be a patron to help out with the channel. Description has got all the links you want. The channel description, you want to get in touch with donating something to the channel, please get in touch. Other than that, I will see you in another video. Bye for now.